In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Inbox using folders in Microsoft Outlook. Before you click New Folder, the most important step is planning your folder structure. A few minutes of thoughtful planning will keep your inbox tidy, make things easier to find, and save you time every day. Start by deciding how you naturally look for messages. If you tend to think in terms of people or companies, plan a sender-based system. Picture an inbox with a client's folder and inside it, folders for Client A, Client B, and so on. This works best if your work revolves around a defined set of contacts. Keep names consistent and easy to scan, and consider the future. Will you add many more clients? If so, leave room to grow and avoid going too deep with subfolders. If your work revolves around deliverables, plan by project or topic. Imagine an inbox with a projects folder containing Project X and Project Y. This structure shines when each project has a clear life cycle. To keep your list manageable, include a way to distinguish what's active versus completed, such as a simple prefix like Active Project X. You can also add a time queue in names like 2026 Q1 Project Y to help you review and archive later. If you process mail by what it is rather than who sent it, plan by type. Prepare folders like newsletters, finance, personal, and work. This is helpful when you receive a lot of recurring formats. Keep names short and universal, and avoid overly specific subfolders that you might forget to use. The goal is quick filing and fast retrieval when you search. If you prefer to manage attention and deadlines, plan by priority. Think about folders like Urgent, Follow Up, and Read Later. This approach is great for daily triage. Define what belongs in each so you don't